Okay, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Oh wow, okay, we got a lot of news this morning. 8:15, 8:30, 9 o'clock. Some manufacturing PMI today. Very nice. Ready for news? Yeah, it's gonna be good. Good fun. Okay, whoa, what's that Bitcoin? Holy shit. Wild. Look at that. Look at that push down to 25, then back up. Very nice. So, let me put this on here. Let's take a look at Goldie. These might be a tad bit high. Get it down. There we go. So, yeah, I'll go through GG at the start. Hello, Kika. Hello. Good morning.
Yo.
GJ closed back in the zone. Very nice. Back in the zone. So yeah, daily rejected the high, closed above, then rejected, made a top wick, broke the high, and closed bearish in the zone. Okay, so had a bit of a retracement yesterday, which is nice. Very clean down actually, which is good. The 4 hour obviously is bearish right now, starting to make a little bit of a range here. We rejected 185 for 500 level. Take a look to the left hand side. Where did it reject? Yeah. Beautiful. So yeah, obviously we have a support 185 460, and we have resistance 185 800. People in the chat saying -6. Yeah, bro. I didn't update it for the past like 2 days. I took an L yesterday as well. So yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, looking like a bit of a range here right now. 185 800 to 185 500. Looking like we haven't retested 186, which could be a potential. But again, we've closed bearish. So really want to kind of, for me anyway, want this daily candle to go push down and back to support 185. That would be the nicest. Take a look at the hourly. We're holding some sort of trend here as well. Let's take a look to the left as well. We're holding a bit of a trend over here. So again, I mean, sells you could probably want to close below, and close below the trend. That would be quite nice. I think that would make it a little bit easier to trade. But right now we are still holding the trend. So yeah, I mean, you can look for closures below 185 480. Right back down to 320, maybe a little bit further below. It's a little bit choppy down here. But really wanted to go retest 185 would be good. To look at the 30. Take a look at the 30. This is what we're working with. Obviously holding 50% Asian right now, but we're also holding that resistance pretty hard. So yeah, I mean, could you look for buys? I mean, if you wanted to go retest 185, 186, you could potentially look for a closure above this area, which we pushed down quickly yesterday, so that could be a possibility. And then you could look for also sells. Maybe you'd want them a little bit further below, maybe like there, yeah, 185 400, to get below the trend line. I think that would be quite nice. So let me just write this on here. 185. I am fucking aching like shit from the gym. Oh my god. Oh, holy. My chest is in agony. So yeah, I mean, I think the best thing to do is probably wait for this zone to break below or above. Let take a look. But yeah, as I say, yesterday was our final straw with trying to get break and retest trades. I've literally lost every single one of them, so I can't do it no more. Which is unfortunate because when we looked at sims, they were really, really good, but man, I just can't get them right. So I'm just spunking away money for no reason. Good afternoon, Max. In sells for GJ. Very nice, very nice. Still like Asian didn't really do too much, eh? Asian didn't do too much. So yeah, I mean, obviously if it closes above, we've got to retest 186, which would be quite nice to push. That's like a 20 pip zone. But then obviously if we reject, we'll be breaking the previous 4-hour lows, and it'll be like a celery. So that'll be quite nice in GJ. Gold, yeah, fuck gold. Fuck gold. Every single time I touch it, I lose. But we'll go for it. So the daily candle closed bullish. We have no low wick, already filled it again. Yeah, I really do not give the slightest shit of gold right now. Every fucking time at 2 o'clock we retrace and we come back to the lows. So yeah, 4-hour obviously bullish, coming towards yeah, shitload of resistance. As I say, I'm not interested in gold. I think the zones are always they've been shit all month, but if I'm actually just looking at clean zones and where I want to get nice pushes, there's fucking none at all. So I'm leaving it. I'm leaving Goldie. There's no clean zone at all on anywhere that I've been trying to look for gold. So probably gonna sit around 1900 like I has the past 15 days. So yeah, I'm completely leaving gold now. Gold has fucked me so many times this month. So yeah, oof, August has been a bad month for me too. Yeah, bro. It's been hard. What have you been eyeing up, Kika?
Nothing. Fucking nothing's happened.
What did you do last night, bro?
I put my TV on the wall.
Oh, I saw you drilling. Yeah, you were drilling the fucking holes and shit. Nice.
Well, my friend was drilling. He knows that I do that shit. I was holding the vacuum.
Yeah.
The important stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now I have kind of like a setup here.
That's sick. You got your chair. You're rocking it. Very nice.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Very, very nice. I like.
To be honest, I don't like the GJ cells. I don't know who said that, but I don't like them.
Not even the 4-hour celery.
I like the flower celery, but we're not even close to it.
No, we're not close to it. But that's where I want cells below 400. But yeah, so we're doing cells
I'm
right now.
I'm looking at GG to still come up to 185, 890.
Yeah.
Because if you look at the previous 4-hour close above that left 4-hour as well. And I feel like 4-hour just needs to make a bigger bottom wick to come back up.
Yeah. That makes sense. Get back over that resistance. Oh, I saw Djokovic. Djokovic got
He beat that young kid.
Yeah, he got revenge. I wonder what the actual so 7-5. What does this mean? I forget what this means.
Let me see.
Right, so he won. Alcaraz won 7-5. What's this?
That's a tie break. So
yeah. So they they were one separate, or they were both on 6. Both.
What does the 7 mean? The 7 means, I think it means how many points he got in the tie break. So apparently Djokovic won 9-7.
Ah, yeah. So this court is this court clay?
No, that's not clay. That's just hard.
Just hard, yeah.
Bro, this is so fast. Like, it's insane.
Yeah.
Clay is like my favorite because you could slide around. It was so
Yeah.
satisfying. Split. The way he makes that shot is insane. Like,
Mate, that shot is fucking phenomenal, man. Holy shit.
he's not even close to standing straight.
Nah.
That's such a nice feeling. Slice.
Even that consistent, yeah.
Oh my God.
Even that consistency though, both in two finals. Holy fuck.
Oh!
Don't do it, Max. You're gonna pull a hammy.
That he catches that ball and that he gives this back.
Man, it's them shots. You're like, what?
Insane.
What? His backhand is fucking ferocious. My God. His
I remember
backhand
watching this kid when he was like 16 and be like, bro, this kid's gonna be insane.
Really?
Yeah.
He's put so much power through his backhand. Like, it's fucking ridiculous.
Bro, this young kid, he's good at everything. There is nothing.
He's really good.
5-4. Oh, this is best of 3.
Yeah.
Oh, did he do a double foul? Oh.
Ooh.
I remember the first final I played in, bro, me and the guy was so nervous, we just kept double fouling. I had like double fouls every game, like.
Yeah, his game's so solid at such a young age. Like look at that!
Oh!
Them shots like that. It's like, fuck, he puts so much power behind it as well. Mate, it's ridiculous.
Oh.
They're both really good at them like low shots. If you think like they're just gonna tap it over and they fucking.
Bro, it's just like the shots they are not supposed to make is like their best shots. Is they like flick it like it just goes over, man.
Yeah, it's mad. It's still above the 50% on GJ, and yeah, fuck gold. I've been trying to analyze gold for the past fucking 7 days, and I just don't get it. It's just every single time 2 o'clock happens, we just get a big nut. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, just nut.
Just have buy-ups and sell-ups below and above the range.
Yeah, it's when the fucking bearish candles come to take this out. Now, yesterday I was looking for a break and retest around here to continue bullish. And
to be honest with you, it is that simple.
Yeah.
Just waiting for the volume to come in. That's what Christian does.
Yeah, true. Wait for here. Wait for a WS. Can we go in a bit more aggressively? And yeah, just got stuff down here. The buys not come in. But again, look what it did. It pushed all the way down and retraced all the way back up again. Where did Don get in? Because I know Don got in somewhere.
Bro, did you see? Watch his Instagram thing. Look at that entry, please. So he basically takes one entry.
Yeah, and he gets another
that
one.
To draw down, he takes another entry, and with that entry, he repays the other one.
That's what I. Yeah, he's hedging it. Well, he's not really hedging because he's not buying the opposite, but he's. I mean, it's good because again, even if it loses then he's got the pineapple, so unless it breaks that whole range, which will happen at one time, but it'll only happen like once every fucking 4 months. Remember the one that he lost a couple of weeks ago? That was 50 grand. That was
But
the
the thing
close
is
one.
with gold will 95% of the time always do at least a 30 pip per trade. So
Yeah, exactly. So as long as you get that, you're good. He's listening to it. Good. Yeah. Yeah, they need a bit of magic keys, I think, to work it out. So we're coming down 185,400. I'm actually trading your own account or you funded my own account, brother. Yeah. She's been royally shafted this past 3 months. Nah, but if you actually look at it, I mean, it's May's basically nearly paid for most of it. Yeah, so it's alright. But yeah, it's a big stint. 3 months is a big stint on your psychology as well. But anyway, I'm feeling good now, to be honest. I feel much better than I did in July. I'm like, whatever. The reason why I've been taking so many L's is I have been just taking trades that I normally back in the day wouldn't take. So I think I just need to stick to what I know. Because clearly it's not working. I mean, gold buys, vamos. Gold buys, interesting. Gold buys. You didn't wait for the celery? Have you just got in? Didn't wait for the hourly celery yet?
need this 30 minutes to close.
90 to 7 was always a target yesterday, actually, as well. So yeah, I could get there. I'm really not interested in gold at all. I can't find the way it moves. Let's put this bad boy on. Yeah, I was doing my running again, man. Running is easy. Whoever can't run, what the fuck? I'm like 93 kg and I'm doing like 15-minute 3Ks. Easy. Easy. Do you know what's harder? Being in the sauna for fucking 20 minutes. That shit is hard. I was in it yesterday and I could only do 16 and I started feeling dizzy. Started going dizzy. Beautiful. So there we go. Now it's broke the gold highs, 1904. Do you have any other sources of income besides trading? Yeah, I've got properties and stuff, but yeah, it's not good. The last 3 months have not been good. But that's life, you know. It's ups and downs. It is what it is. If it continues, then yeah, I'll have to go and get another job, but that's how it is. That's how it is, brother. So daily top wick flipped, broke the low. Breaking the previous low again. Nice. Strong candle that. It's good. I would like to start Airbnb next tourist season. Ooh, yes. Yeah, I know a lot of people that do that, like own Airbnbs, rent them out. It's a good idea. The good thing about property and stuff like that is it's very scalable. Like, it's obviously you need the money to do it, but once you've done it once, you know how it works. You can just multiply it again, again, again. It's not there's nothing really more you need to learn. You know what I mean? So it is quite good. Like, that's what I said to one of my mates doing up a house. Like, if you do up the house, if you like buy like a bit of a shitty house and you want to do it up and then sell it on, yeah, you could get builders to sort it out for you and plasters and all that kind of stuff. Or you could kind of learn it yourself, or learn the basics at least. And once you learn that once, you can just multiply that fucking 100 times. You don't need, and it'll save you shitloads of money throughout. And also you're learning the skill, like you learn how to like plaster floors and sorry, not plaster floors, like laminate the floors, plaster the walls, the infrastructure, the plumbing, the electricity. Like, learning those skills is a good skill to do. So, and you've got YouTube now, and as long as you have maybe a mate who does it for a living, you could learn it quite quickly, and then again you can just multiply it again and again. Buy all the rundown granny homes, do them up, sell them on. That's something that I'll definitely be looking to do more. 100% you need to learn how to do. Not just by the internet. Yeah, but are you saying that people on YouTube are not skillful? I'm sure electricians are on YouTube. They're everywhere, bruh. But yeah, of course, you need some guidance. But as long as you got some mates in that field, which I'm pretty sure everyone will, it's good, man. Like, I'd love to be able to like build my own house to help it. That'd be cool. Like Grand Designs. Anyone watched Grand Designs before? That's sick. Like the Grand Designs. So there we go, right? A major resistance level. You've got to be a little bit careful with gold here. It's filled that wick up. Could have some issues now. I did heating radiators when I was younger, like 15, 16, have all of the houses heating installed this dollar, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think all the tradesmen in the UK I think they do get quite a lot of money because, again, like, first of all, they can fucking tax evade like shit. Pretty easily, which is what they all do. You know what I mean? Like, oh, the government asks, how many radiators did you fit this week? 10. You actually fit fucking 27. Pocket the rest. It's mad. The amount of times, like, I remember, like, at home, like, the bills come and go, oh, could you pay us cash, please? Or, like, the plumbers. So, actually, think about that. If they do a decent amount and then don't pay tax on fucking 70% of their stuff, they'll make quite a bit. So we'll see how this 4-hour forms if we break the low or maybe reflip. Depends, you're just in the range right now. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Let's just put it This way they make more than the average single flowing traders. Gold buys at 1904.5 from the middle, a bit higher. There's just a lot of traffic there. Do you not think there's a lot of traffic there? Resistors there. Fives are really messy. Would let an open volume to push? Yeah, that's true. Get the volume in. Right now, the fives though for me are looking disgusting. Ugh. Disgusting. Ugh. Disgusted. Oh, shout out Trade Shop Boy. Smashing it. He's smashing it. Is King Ape streaming? No. I wonder where Mr. Dennis is today. I wonder where's he gone? So yeah, I'll do some later today. Not 9:30 though, because I've got a meeting and then I've got another work meeting. So we'll do it like 10 o'clock or so. 10 o'clock. What the fuck is FujiTube dude back on socials? He's mad. That guy is mad. Oh, yesterday first time trying Prime. Oh my god, the red flavor is fire. If you watch the press conference, I watched the press conference. That Dylan Dennis has come back to class. Holy shit! Look at GJ. Reacted off the support of 500. Kiko, you might be right here. You might be making the low wick.
Yeah. Because the previous one closed so strong, right?
Yeah.
And my idea, we still need to tap like 185, 900.
Where do people from UK usually go on vacation? I haven't seen a lot of them. It's normally like Spain, France, Europe, really. On average, I'd say. Yeah. Whoa, what happened with the BRICS meeting yesterday?
Not much, apparently.
What's this? Could you just hate BBC? Fucking slave. Oh my god. Why did they just put this on now? Challenge on misogyny, mate. She's the worst fucking interview I've ever seen in my entire life. She's fucking that stupid bitch, Andrew Tate, the one that was doing Andrew Tate.
You have said
my bitch. Mate, fuck BBC, man. All horseshit. So is ITV. All absolute
a Bugatti and a cigar makes you a misogynist.
Mate, fuck. There's this guy on TikTok who does like all of the news stuff. What's his name? Dylan something. Dylan.
Apparently they're doing a documentary on him.
Yeah, so this guy, right? This guy gets invited to ITV, and they're like, "Oh, we're gonna like talk about you and like your channel and your news and stuff," because basically he's doing news. Obviously, now we know exactly what they were doing. So apparently went and they were all being really nice to him, saying, "Oh, you're doing really well. Look at his views. Like he's doing sick." And then the article comes out and they're fucking shitting on him. They're saying, "Oh, everyone's getting their news from this stupid man on TikTok now." Blah,
the blonde
blah, blah,
guy.
slagging him off, like fully slagging him off. Like what cunts? And there's them saying, "Oh, it's all fake and."
Bro, this guy's a G, man. He just talks. He just tells the truth.
I know, but how nasty is that though? Like the fucking ITV, because obviously they think he's competition. They're nicking their things and they want. It's fucking bullshit. That putting some lad down that making his own shit because you guys are fucking can't innovate and you're doing some boring ass TV with no real fucking journalism.
Yeah, because their shit, bro. Their fucking TV is shit.
It's just all biased and like it's just such a boring story. Fucking shit. Yeah. Yeah, like when my mum has it on, I'm like, get that shite off. I can't listen to it to my ears. No good. Sounds like more countries are interested in BRICS. If you pull up Bloomberg Live right now, they're talking about it. Ah.
Crazy that we might be moving into a world where we're gonna have a new currency.
More to sell any more of non-essential assets at this point in time.
Yeah, this will go on. We are looking.
Looking at what specifically?
Some of the steel sector. Vedanta will remain either number 1, number 2, number 3, or get out of the business.
Okay, and what's the timeline for restructuring? Are you looking at 2023 or?
Yeah, this year something will happen. We'll raise $7-8 billion by selling this asset.
Okay.
So we are looking for that.
And Neil Agarwal, thank you so much for your time, considering all that you're going through. And Anna and Tom, I'll send it back to you.
Genza Basaja in Joburg. Thank you very much indeed. There you go, Mark. He's going to be around for 500 years. His business, at least, is going to be around 500 years. Maybe that's how long it's going to take to really shift away from the US dollar. The ruble, really? The Chinese yuan, really, given their interventions in the market? Your views, Mark?
Yeah, look, dollar's place as the world's reserve currency is not under threat anytime soon.
People talk about de-dollarization. I think they misunderstand it. There is a very slow, long-term structural de-dollarization trend. The share of dollars in reserves has declined over the last 15, 20 years. We're below 60%. It was up above 70% in 2002. But it's gone through waves before. Now, what's most interesting is the waves in
What is this
the
you're
last
listening to?
century
BBC?
followed the strength of the dollar.
This is
What's
Bloomberg.
interesting is over the last 15 years, we've seen the share of dollars in global reserves decline, or particularly the last 4 or 5 years, as the dollar has been strengthening, which shows that genuinely people are slowly shifting away from dollar, but very slowly. It will still be the dominant currency in 10 years' time. What are your thoughts?
It's a big factor there. He's saying it'll be still the big one in 10 years' time. How do you know, mister? You're not biased with your Bloomberg US? I don't trust any of these fucking things now. It's like, yeah, you're not going to slag off the US dollar, are you? Because you're fucking Bloomberg. Like, interesting. But he said there that the strength of the US is going up, but the amount of reserves that countries are having is reducing. That's interesting. So what happens when the US starts to weaken? And then more people are going to leave? Interesting. Very interesting. Very, very interesting.
I'm gonna head to work, Max.
All good, brother. See you later, my man. Where is Alohi? Alohi's still on holiday. He came in yesterday. Say hi. Yeah, only 7 guys in Zoom. Yeah, bro. But it's because I'm not doing well. My performance is bad. It's just how it is, you know. It's how it is. I get that. Nah, I haven't, bro. I haven't recently. I do the same thing, man. I do the same thing. It's how it is. Can't seem to get the trades on my side, boy. But that's the thing. I mean, you know, for me, I had a point where I was really struggling, really stressed out. But I've realized, you know, I can't really do too much about it. You know, and this is transparency. It's showing that yeah, things can go a bit tits up, and how you're gonna deal with that. And this is actually a prime example as well of saying, that don't get into trade. Oh, fuck off. Don't get into trading thinking it's gonna be, oh, I'm gonna make it. Because again, look, I've been here for 3 years. I've made money every single month, apart from the last 3 months where I've lost money. You know, if this continues, then I'm gonna have to find other ways to make money, right? So it's giving you actually a bit more transparency and showing that, you know, it's not all, oh yeah, it's easy. It's, you know, it has been very, very easy the past, you know, back in the day, but in recent times it's been much harder than usual. And you got to either adapt. If you don't adapt, then you got to go find other ways. So please, for the love of Jesus, if there's anyone in this chat who's fucking 16 thinking they're going to be a trader forever, keep your doors open. The reason why I'm not stressing right now is because I know I can get a job tomorrow. So, because of what work I've put in and other things. Come August almost done, volume already starting. Yeah. The adapt is the matter. 100%. I just struggle to adapt, man. I've looked at sims, I've gone through other ways to get in, but again, there's not really many break and retests at the moment. So I think it's just a bit of sore luck as well. When there's been break and retests, W's, M's, I've been learning it, and then when we put it into fruition, there's fucking none. It just moves to the next thing. The thing what's happening right now is every single time gold retraces and then nuts at 2 o'clock every day. But yeah, I think for me it's a prime example of showing it's not. Please don't be the savior of, oh yeah, I'm gonna make it. Like, yeah, you'll see fucking, I don't know what's it called, like Daniel Savage and, you know, Dr. Dollar and I don't know, some other people from that area. The reason why they've made it is because they focus solely on marketing and their brand and stuff like that. For me, I'm straight up. You know, if I'm doing shit, I'll tell you I'm doing shit, and there's no excuses. It's just I've been a little bit hard on my entries and all that kind of stuff. The difference with me is that I've got backup. They don't have backup. They've got to go through this full whack. That's why you see recently I'm not posting on YouTube or Instagram. It's because I'm not doing too well. What's the point of me posting if I'm not doing well myself? Can't really give advice if I'm doing shit myself. But obviously, it's just the mindset, right? For me, I'd rather stick to my morals and be the person I am than fucking lying or trying to just trying to sell something. I don't give a fuck about that shit. For me, it's not me. It's not the person I am. I'll leave that to the people who don't have anything else but trading. Do 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 do. I got a lot of confidence from this group. Beautiful, Mike. Great job. Yeah, you're doing smashing, bro. I think I explain a lot of things well for people to take in advance. Like, same as John as well. I think John has made some really good progress. But yeah, put my own work in. I just can't seem to put it into live. What happened yesterday, Max? No, I just didn't update it a couple of days ago. Yeah, I've tried to update it. Yesterday I took 1 hour. Yeah, and I haven't been able to manage the L's either. I've just been fucking clotted every single time. But that's the reality of trading sometimes, man. I go from having a 10% month, 13% month, 11% month, 4% month, 9% month to then -1, -3, and -5. It's just how it is. Obviously, I've had a lot of issues in this in terms of my own personal stuff, but again, yeah, it's just been caught in it, boy. But I'd rather be straight up and tell you guys the situation, because it could happen to you, and how are you gonna deal with it? Did you do a risk on that one trade yesterday? No, bro, I just didn't update the sheet like for 3 days or so, so I just updated the sheet now. So 8 minutes till 8 o'clock. It happens, man. Part of the cycle, even for me. Our previous L, well, the one yesterday. Yeah, well, a lot of them recently have been getting 10 pips, and then I've been holding it, and yeah, I've been getting caught. Yeah, you mean the previous one, Mike? Yeah, you explained it all well, Max. I think it's just been harder recently to get entries, 100%. Market open in 7-ish minutes. Yes. Oh yes. See that last fucking hell, man, horrendous. Lucy Letby, rough. How can you do that shit, man? What the fuck is wrong with people? Did you see Don's trade yesterday? He made 32 pips in the chat, slated him. Really? Well, he gives a fuck, right? Chat slated him. Wow, he's nearly made £1 million off 140 investment. He can laugh all the way to the bank. Are you ill? Oh, no, no, no. Can't have that. I need positive volatility. I'm long USD. Oh. The wrong one on, maybe. looking like quite a big lower wick, retesting the previous level. Yeah, not bad. It's a little bit counter trend, but you can maybe get a little bit of a push. I need to I'm long Euro USD. Ah, you're not long it as well. Nice. Both of you guys are. Red folders, 15 and 30 minute post open through, and we are on day 2 of the Brick Summit. Yes. No, I didn't check it. What's the journal like? The journal. I know that, like, if he's doing like a second entry, like he just does the overall pips, which is fair. And he'll do so if he takes a losing trade as well. Like that 50k one, he would have done like all the pips added, I think. New 1 minute entries. Oh, I don't know. I haven't been looking. Right, quickly go to the toilet with 2 minutes. Oh. GJ coming up before I flipped, break the high. Good stuff, good stuff. That was a nice rejection on the hourly. Damn. 4 hour and Goldie does nothing. So 8 o'clock bought some volume in there. How much did it push? 9 pips or so. Obviously didn't close above though. That's the issue you got there. I think it should still go retest 186 at some point. How's the Euro USD going, guys? Oh, look at that rejection. Where's the what? Max hourly said we on gold to go down. Maybe daily got no bottom wick. Really? Oh yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, man, I'm just sick of getting involved with gold. Looking like this shit. What? It's what day? Huh? Hey, happy birthday. Yeah, fuck trading gold here at the moment. I mean, realistically, this see you later, mama. 4 hours closed bullish. This should make a low wick flip and fill the range 1906. Realistically, this 4 hours closed above this resistance, so. Dum 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 dum. Dollar straight down. Yeah, I like Dr. Dollar. He's a good lad. I remember back in the day, me and him were speaking a lot. He's just the same as he is now. Back in the day, he was like, "Yeah, it's grand, boy." Oh, that food looks good, man. If you guys had to eat one food for the rest of your life, every single day, what would it be? One thing every day. Steak, I don't know. Sometimes I like steak, but sometimes it's like, oh, I've had too much. Barbecue chicken. Do you know what I've been liking recently? Them ramens, man. I have like 2 a day. Cheese. Yeah, cheese you can do so many ways, can't you? Fish is just a bit. I don't know. I'm not a fan of fish really. I mean, I like it. I had salmon yesterday. It's decent in small quantities, but I couldn't eat it every day. Oh, fuck off. There we go. So many different fish. Yeah, but a lot of the fish, like the only fish that I'd really want to eat is tuna, salmon. Everything else, like, it doesn't really taste very nice. Like, it's just plain. You hate seafood? Yeah, a lot of people do, man. Lobster every day. Oh. I think pizza's got to be up there, man. A freshly cooked pizza every single day. Oh, that's the dream. That's basically what we did at university. Euro news, yeah. So we have Euro news in 9 minutes. Yeah, pizza would be nice because you can just change the toppings, and as long as you get a thin crust one, it's not too filling in terms of like, you know, like feeling like minging all day. I think pizza's. I think I would choose pizza. And you can, like, you know, yeah, you can add loads of shit on it and stuffed crust. Get some cheese in that bad boy. I don't know. It depends what kind of pizza, man. It has to be like a decent one, a very, very good. Like if it was a Domino's one, man, Domino's stuffs me up way too much. I feel fucking horrendous after I've had Domino's. I feel like 18 stone, and I feel clogged up. My ass is like a fucking blocked. Gold seems to be respective 5-minute trend line in both directions. Yeah, just trending, eh? I got stopped out on gold trading the fake out. Anything wrong? The fake out's just happened, bro. Oh, do you mean like there? Yeah, man, it's. I mean, first issue is even if it came down, it's probably gonna go retest here. It's still quite bullish. You know, look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour closed above. Yeah. I think maybe a bit too aggressive with it. Fake outs need to be really planned before entering. Like, don't just see like a candle closing above and closing back below. It needs to make sense. Like a lot of the times I've been seeing a lot of our good traders taking fake outs will be like this, right? They'll look and they'll go, right, okay, gold just came down, now we're back up here. This is where you'd look to take fake outs, because again, you just break it and retest it to continue down. So what you'd normally do is this. When it comes back up, you go, right, okay, let me zoom into, like, you know, this whole area here, see if I can find any fake outs. So you go to the lower time frame. So it was this here, wasn't it? So actually there was quite a nice fake out here. Okay, candle closed above, candle closed below. You could have got the break of the low there at 230. Look on the 15-minute. How did the 15-minute look? Yeah, that's the closure. That's the trade. So yeah, I mean, I'd say be careful on fake outs. Make sure you know where to take them. Okay? If you just look at overall structure on the higher time frames, they should be at the retest levels, okay? So again, like, this candle came below, we came back up, so, you know, in these areas, you look to take a fake out. Let's see if there was any in here. Yeah, just highlight this. Yeah. Price came up. Let's take a look at the 15 and see if there's an easier one. Again, all the movement has been coming later on, but again, here, look. 15-minute closes back above, then we close bearish, reject. So there you go. There's your extra fake out. So there's that's what I've been seeing recently, anyway. There you go. You got your 1-to-1. So there's 2 examples already in the recent price. Maybe the light bulb has gone off in your brain now. Ah, Sashin, it's fucking well and truly off, my boy. But yeah, that's that's what I've been seeing. I just can't execute myself, man. I just get too worked up in my head. Just how it is. But yeah, that's where I look for fake outs. Beautiful. Did GJ come down? Yeah, it's had a little bit of a push, held, and then continued. Nice. Back up to 186. China is down bad. Most index 1.5 to 2% across the board today. Ooh. Today? Wait, what? 1.5 to 2% of what? 2% of what? Manufacturing? Morning, Max. Morning, Max. Morning, morning. Hope you're doing well. Mod pizza is the shit here in Texas. Wow, it's in Texas? That's worldwide now, mod pizza. Yeah, it's like a Subway-esque, isn't it? You kind of make your own. Yeah, it's good shit. I also thought that as a business idea as well. Doing like a Subway but pizzas. That's what I feel is missing in UK. Obviously there's gonna be some, but in UK like nightlife, right? When I go after you go to like a fucking kebab shop and get the shittest pizza I've ever seen in my entire life. It tastes like fucking horseshit. Why is there not like, you know, very late opening, really good pizza thing? It takes 2 minutes to make a pizza, like a proper good one. You know, bash them out. I don't know why. You know what I mean? Like all the drunk people on a night out, you just sell them fucking beautiful pizzas, all the sauces and that, you know, relatively decent prices, make them affordable, but just sell a lot of them, right? Because again, a really expensive, sorry, a really good quality pizza doesn't have to be majorly expensive. You can still make a good profit margin on them. What are your thoughts on EJ buys with 30-minute closes? Be careful on the news, my brother. Yeah, there's so much news today at those times as well. Manufacturer PMI. I really didn't know it was worldwide. Yeah, man, I had mod pizza in Newcastle, and I think there's one in Leeds. Yeah. I think they're everywhere. I bet that's mad, like owning your own business, doing it in one place, and then expanding worldwide. Holy shit. Would you consider yeah, I suppose in the middle of the night, folks are high, they don't care how it's made, they just want it. I suppose. It's true. So we've got news in a minute's time. Let's see how the spreads go. Yeah, the FOREX retest is nice. Kiko talked about that nicely. Okay, spreads are okay. So just getting a little bit of a push. I don't know why I didn't take this bias, but we've had some discussions anyway. So this one here, faked out, closed back above 50%, low wick flip. You can even go in there. Stop loss is quite large. I know, only 20 pips. Not bad. Maybe go back up to 186 would be good. I mean, that 8 o'clock low wick flip, especially how strong we go, and you could have maybe taken here, but again, I have to go say goodbye to Caitlin at 8 o'clock, which is great. That's why I haven't taken 8 o'clock trade in fucking ages. Because I'm not here. And GbpJpy are nice. Also, 10-minute IC. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice. Need to retest that trend line as well. Very good. Dennis is up and alive. Beautiful, bright. Beautiful. How was your month, Max? Fucking awful, bro. Big Mike has got a Nando's.
And I have this is a Nando's wing. Look at it's all beautiful and hot, nice and coated in nice breading. No breading, but it's nice. And this hot sauce. And it's so really good. Very good. Yeah. Super good. Yeah, super good, Mike.
Yeah, I'm not touching anything right now until 10 AM. No point being on the charts. We see energy. I'd rather stay out of it until the dust settles. For the news, yeah. Let's take a look and see what came out here then. So, manufacturing PMI better than expected. Services PMI less. So, mixed bag of results. Yeah, so very, very close to forecast. So can you see how the reason why it hasn't moved is because if you look at the forecast, we got better than expected for manufacturing, and we got worse than expected for services. So, you know, it kind of evens out, right? Positive, negative news, whatever. Is it just stayed here, Euro USD? To be fair, guys, if you are in Euro USD, be careful. You know there is news today. So basically a no event on that news. Yeah, so what you tend to see is when I've talked about this a lot, but when the forecast is much different to the actual, that's when you get news different. If there's like two things come out, if there's both positive and a negative, then it tends to just range, right? Because again, it's just how it is. The biggest news comes from where the actual is much different to the forecast. You know? So if you look here, can you see this? Unemployment claims, okay. Forecast was 240. Actual was 239, right? Not much difference, 1,000 difference, right? So you expect it to not really do much. It'll bring volume, but it didn't do too much. If you actually look at what happened, this is 130. Can you see how it pushed down and pushed up? Okay, it didn't really do anything. Moved 20 pips down, 20 pips up. So it's just kind of, obviously there's still volume in it, but there's no real direction yet. And obviously later on it finds a direction. Let's find one where it did push quite a lot. Or let's see if we can find one that we can maybe guess and see that it did push. So this one here, let's take a look at this one. Core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing, retail sales. Okay, so retail sales expected 0.4, they got 1%. Okay, retail sales excluding, and this is all retail level, 0.7, 0.4. Manufacturing Empire State was negative though, so 2 positives and a negative. The negative is only one state. This is the whole country, so realistically it should be, you know, positive really here. So positive, what does that mean? It means that the the gold should go down. So let's take a look on this day on the 15th, see if it went down. Dum 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 dum. What time is it at? It was at 1:30. 1:30 here. Can you see 1:30? This one here. Can you see what happened? We drove down. Now, it rejected pretty hard here. Now, the reason why it rejects pretty hard is because of other things as well, right? The news wasn't significant in terms of, like, it wasn't fucking 4% retail sales. It was only 1%. So it's only a little bit more. Still enough for it to move. But then also, again, you need to think about technical analysis and look at that. We have 1900 here. It needs a serious amount of juice to break 1900, okay? So no matter how much it wicks down, it still needs to close below 1900. So yeah, it's just a good thing to know what's going on with the news. It means also, like, if you're looking to get into a trade for news, if it came out exactly the same as expected, then you're not going to see too much. So let's take a look at this one. So this is pound. GDP 0.5. Forecast was 0.2. So yeah, much better than expected. Well, not much better, obviously, only 0.3 points, but in terms of relative, it's, you know, more than double what we wanted. So realistically here, the pound should have pushed quite nicely there on the 11th. Was it 11th? Yeah. The 11th. Yeah. 7 o'clock, big push. There you go. Why would someone short gold? Any reason? Maybe because it's in their plan? Nah, I don't know. What do you mean, why would anyone short gold? I mean, it's trending bullish. The 4 hours pulling up. Yeah, it's a bit bullish right now, but I don't think it's silly later on, maybe. Again, a lot of resistance. Maybe at 1907 would be nice to look for sells, but yeah, maybe now it's not the best. Still holding this trend line. If you look on the 15, we're just tapping it, holding it. Bro, did you change your voice? Nope. What?
There are times that you can take that, right? But right now, the setup selling on it. Like I said before, I'm the one that can see. Why can't I just do whatever the hell I want? Stop buying horses.
Oh, where are we? Oh, there. So nice, keen to the wicks. Probably a good TP level to get there, really. The wicks can cause some issues. But realistically, you should get to 186, good psychological level. So the next news event will be in 4 minutes. So again, we'll try and go through this and see if you guys can now, after I've talked about that, decide what's going to go on. Okay, so today, to be fair, it's normally not that interesting, and this is only German as well. So when it's like single countries in the euro, it doesn't tend to do too much, unless obviously these numbers are fucking wild. Sorry, unless the actual numbers are wild. And because French was alright, it's not, and they normally correlate, to be honest. There's not only one that's a big outlier unless it's like a recession like Greece or something. Oh my god, my chest is agony. Does anyone know how to sort their chest out after a workout? Lord have mercy. Germany is the biggest economy in Europe, yeah, but in terms of overall movement for the whole pair, it doesn't tend to move too much. Europe's a big place. Germany's only one part of it. I never traded EU news. Seems more tame than US. Yeah, 100%. Totally. See John Fury in that press conference yesterday. What the fuck? I'll fight any man here. I'm a fighting man. He's fucking wild. So here comes the rejection on GJ. Taps them wicks. And yeah, gold really has not done anything, but I could have told you that before. The candles are just a little bit shit. The candles look ass. You get slapped, as I found out yesterday. 5 minute hadn't really fallen enough. Let's take a look actually later on. Was there an entry that I could have taken? I mean, I did push much further, but it did make a W later on. Fucking bastard. Got the right shoulder there. Stop loss below. Did it go and tap the 30? Ah, yeah, prick. Yeah, I did. Quite a big retracement there, though. Fuck me. I didn't think it was going to be that retracement. So you can see here on the 30 minute here, we're just consolidating, holding 1904's res. Pending, 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 pending. $39.147 again, positive and a negative. Did Euro USD move? Holy fuck! What the fuck has happened to GJ? Oh, holy! GJ just rocked as well. Holy fuck! Let's look at gold. Oh, it goes to nothing. Damn! Was there anything else that came out there? Jesus Christ. Holy shit. So there you go. If you guys had your EURUSD trades for buys, be careful, man. There's news. Fucking hell, it's a big drop. Interesting. There's a huge miss for Germany's services. Yeah, I suppose this one here. Yeah, it's quite a difference actually, isn't it? 51.5, 47.3. What's that change? Well, previous is 52.3. Let's go to calculator. Where is it? So the difference was like 5 points, 4.9 points. .36% drop. Yeah, it's quite a significant drop from the previous. Yeah. So there we go. Big difference. Big move. Why is it negative? Well, because the news is negative, right? It's manufacturing services is less than the forecast and previous, so it's pretty bad. Yeah, USD is nutting here. Great example. Great example. Wow, GJ just... It just how GJ just moved. Now, maybe some people in the chat maybe explain why GJ is doing this. Maybe tell me why is GJ just pushing. Maybe to explain to you why. Explain to you why GJ has just pushed. Okay, GJ is weak. Check GU. Yeah, G. So all of the pound pairs are dropping. Okay. Now why are they dropping? Well, there's news that just came out. But why is pound dropping? You tell me. You tell me. Think about it. Okay. Why is pound dropping when it has nothing to do with pound? Or does it? Or does it? Or does it? Why maybe it might be choline? Because the dollar is pumping? No. So, because this news came out in Germany, this is my opinion anyway, but I learned this in uni, so it's how it is. So you need to remember that a market is an efficient market, so it means that it'll react instantly to news, right? Priced in instantly. People who are actually trading this, you know, and actually moving markets with banks and stuff are going to be reacting to each and every news outcome. Now, if you look here, right, and you've just said, everyone just said, you know, Germany is a big part of the Europe, right? Now, Germany and the pound are very similar in country size in terms of GDP, right? They're quite similar, right? They're not far off. So, what I think is happening here is people who are trading the pound have just looked at German news and gone, you know what? That's quite a significant drop. And what tends to happen if you look from previous data is the pound news. So if you look over here, the pound news, which is later on, which is exactly the same, tends to follow suit Germany. Okay, so if you know as a trader, if you know as an institution that Germany, France tends to follow the pound, the pound tends to follow these two, which have just came out, then what do you expect later on for pound to do? Well, to drop, right? So instead of waiting for the news to come out, you're not going to be holding pound right now, are you? So again, it's because it's pricing in, knowing that, right, the news is likely going to be pretty negative later on. So it's not like speculation. People will price that in now, so it's already been priced in here. So what you'll actually tend to see is when the news comes out, if it is to be negative, it'll still go down, but it won't be as aggressive as before because it's already pricing it in. Okay. GBP and USD are inverse of USD. No. Has nothing to do with the US here. Has nothing to do. You can't tell me that this news event, which came out exact this time and just pushed down pound so heavily, has anything to do with the US. It's about this news event, which was significantly less than expected. Because dollar is pumping. Where are you guys getting dollar is pumping from? Dollar is going down. USD/JPY is nutting as well. USD is not pumping. And you can even see from gold as well, it isn't pumping because gold's not doing anything. So I don't know where you guys getting USD is pumping from. It ain't pumping shit. So wow, look at this, holy shit. Pump it louder, pump it louder. That's a fucking huge move. If you don't know about DXY, yeah, I know about DXY. Do 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 do. Yeah, exactly. Scholar said it perfect, yeah. DXY is world currency reserve. Every time there's bad news like PMI below 50, economy is contracting. Of course, most align their position and allocate some in USD. Exactly. If you know the euro is struggling, you're not going to leave your money in euro. Oh, I'm gonna watch this. If you guys like football, please go and subscribe to this channel, man. Their videos are fire. Tifo. The class. So yeah, that's great. News just came out. I'm kind of done with this. Goldie over here, as I say, I'm not really too interested. The 4 hours still closed above, so I'm going to leave until later on, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. People in the mentorship will do a sim later on, maybe like 10:30, 11 o'clock, as I have a meeting at 9:30. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. Adios, adios. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.